Alright everybody, hello, my name is Savannah94, and I know that I make a lot of videos on the weekend, but I'm bored, okay? So, and I'm currently joined by... Are you there? I am currently joined by... That's not how you're supposed to play Minecraft.
I don't care, fun's the rule.
Sorry if she's a little loud, guys, but I have to find a good place for my phone where I can still access my keys. Your rods weren't creative, dummy.
Wait, no, I have to make the center of the plot so then we don't lose it. Because isn't this where we're going to be building our next big thing on the channel?
Yep. Now, honestly, guys, I know a lot of you guys don't, but I love roleplays. Like, I love roleplays. Is anyone with me on that? No?
Yeah, I love roleplays. Okay. Little tiny self-promo here. Hope my friend doesn't get triggered. I have a Wattpad account, and that means that I run some roleplay books. So go follow me. I'm a writer of fiction. Message me, and I'll roleplay with you.
Yeah. Shameless self-promo.
Yeah, shameless. It's not even my channel.
It's not even your channel, so how is it? I don't know anymore.
It's because I'm promoting myself. Because I knew you wouldn't. Because you don't even know what my Wattpad's name probably is.
A writer of fiction, I know that.
But I said it out loud, dummy. Oh shoot, that's Corpster.
Alright, so I do need to find a place to start building, because this is supposed to be a speed build, not take 2 hours of time build.
Well, we can't speed it up, so it's going to be a build.
Yes,
Sorry,
not really a speed build. Oh my god, that is an amazing username.
What?
Phil Star.
I saw that. There's a lot of Big and Rafa RPs just generally on late at night on weekends.
Yeah, I know, right?
Especially on Friday night.
Alright, so where should we start building?
Well, this is the center of the plot, so maybe we could start building, like, here?
Here, let me grab some quartz, because hospitals are usually white.
Mental hospital, isn't it?
I don't really care. It can still just be white, so... Oh, that's snow.
It's gonna melt. Are we making a mental hospital, or are we making an aqua hospital?
I don't know. Just a mental hospital, but I'm gonna build in white, because quartz looks good.
Don't get triggered if I break blocks. I have symmetry issues.
Okay, yeah, I got it. Yeah, I'm trying to find a good place to put you, Crystal. Sorry if your audio is still quiet. Like I said, it has to be in a place where I can still access the keys.
That way.
Yeah, so I'm sorry, guys. I know it's kind of hard to get Crystal's audio working properly, but...
Okay, don't start building that wall. Never mind, build it. We're just going to build a bunch of random rooms. That's going to be like, this can be the reception room.
Reception room and the emergency department.
The emergency wing, but we're going to have a little separate room for that. It's going to be mostly reception, and then we're going to cut it off in the back. And then we're going to have the room where doctors cut open people. JK!
Yes! I don't know why, guys, but I see everything as being an anime reference.
Okay, I'm going to try and, like, make a really symmetrical path from the center of the plot towards there. And I'm going to build a side room where, like...
Could you please trust me to the plot? Because it says I can't use World Edit unless I'm completely trusted.
I don't trust you.
Then again, I'm very lazy, so that's why I'm not just normally building. Then again, aren't we both lazy?
Yeah. Hey, set your pee time today so that we don't have to deal with
the trash lighting, yeah.
Yeah.
No, my brightness is usually up, so I can... Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
I don't know what you did, but I'm going to find out when I watch the video again.
Why do you watch my videos, to be honest? I mean, they're trash, so why do you watch them?
Because you're my best friend that I've known for 9 years now.
Yeah, thanks. And thanks to anyone who stays with me and actually does watch these videos, even though I'm pretty sure most of my subscribers aren't active, but whatever.
Jason isn't going to like this. He's not going to like the first floor boring, and if anyone gets the reference, put down hashtag AskMalFans.
Yep, put that down there. But now it's time to. But now
Don't
for.
make the door there. Don't make the door
Yeah, I know.
there.
Sorry, I was stupid and I didn't realize.
Sorry, I had a really cool idea. I'm sorry. I'm really controlling. I just like having, when I have an idea, I like.
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it. I get it. How many stories should we make it?
Well, this is going to be the reception area, and let's not just make it just stories. We can probably have it 2 or 3, and like, but we should also have more than just one room on the bottom, okay?
Okay.
So how about you go up and like world edit another story, and then I can just shape it later.
Yeah. I can't speed up videos because my editing software is literally just Windows Movie Maker.
Oh.
No, seriously.
Relatable. What should be the pathway from the center of the world? From the center of my plot, not the world. The circle of the world.
I don't know.
I don't want it to be something unnatural. But I don't want it to be like the leaves either. How about we do good old gravel?
Yep.
You know, I can just secretly do things, but none of the viewers are gonna know what I do because I'm not recording from my side.
Yep.
But you can secretly do things, and I'm not gonna know what you do because you're on the inside and I'm on the outside. Yeah, she's a really sneaky, cheeky person.
Hey, what have I done to you that's sneaky within the past year?
Let's see. I don't know, you don't tell me that there's gonna be somebody at your parties when you invite me.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't know that this Gabby and Kayla were coming. Oh god, I said their names.
Actually, that's their screen names. I never told you their real names because I'm a savage.
Yeah. Sorry, I guess. I mix up their Minecraft names with their real names because they're such realistic. I think one's like Gabby Plays, right?
Yeah, there's Gabby Plays and then there's Kayla Senpai.
Kayla Senpai.
Yeah. Even though for her it'd be more like waifu, but oh god. Alright, so we got this story, this story, this story, and I think I'm gonna have one more story for patience, and then make a.
Okay, I'm gonna be AFK for a second. Sorry, I just had to text my mom.
That's okay. 1 second. I just got a text. And yes, guys, texting my friend. Just my friend Maiko texting me. I don't know why, but it seems like me and my friends always choose really realistic names. Sorry, I accidentally put down my phone someplace else. Like I said, guys, it's really.
I have been dropped. How dare you, peasant?
I'm so sorry, my queen. Like I said, guys, I'm sorry if she's loud or quiet. Sometimes it's really, really hard to get it in a good spot where I can access the keys that I need. And.
Yeah, I mean, usually my phone's just like perching on my computer.
Yep.
But hey, anything that works, right? Because I'm an Ashley. Actually, I'm not Ashley. Like, that's not my name.
Of course not. Her real name is Jaylyn.
You've exposed me.
Yes, I have.
I'm just gonna put exposed on the thumbnail. I'm gonna hack into your account and put exposed.
Crystal, I should just name this video Crystal Gets Exposed.
Yes, plus not really speedy milk. This is how we come up with names. I don't even know what is life anymore. How many floors are you doing? I'm scared to look up. I'm just scared to look up. Oh god.
This is the last one.
Okay, good. And then we can start giving it some character.
Yep. Which case we'll do in the next. Oh. Yeah, you know that looks fine. So that's actually pretty nice and actually a pretty realistic size because.
Yeah, I'm just saying, but my character, I mean, like, shape.
Yep. So really, now we don't really have as much left to do except for decorate, in which case I'll do in the next video, and set up walls and stuff, in which case I usually do those off camera because those are kind of boring.
Yeah, but we're gonna build some other rooms, so we need to make an elevator, so for now I'm just gonna make a hole in the corner, but we're gonna place the elevator somewhere else.
Yep, and that's all for this part of the Not So Speedy Speed Builds. So, bye everybody!
Bye.